serious. And I think it has to do with, when we talk of quality, the question that arises is, do credentials really matter? And how do we make the credentials matter? Meaning, if you get a diploma, a BS something, an AD something, does it matter? People would say, depende sa eskwelahan when you graduate. And we see that every time. Long queue lines applying for a job opening. The HR people just going through the list of applicants and pipiliin in top 3 schools or top 4. Invariably, you find the elite schools. But, and I think I just want to relate this to the notion also of needing good governance dun sa quality assurance system. Because if people don't trust the quality assurance system, then kung pangit na yung eskwelahan na pinanggalingan mo, and they can also trust, say, the board, yung board passing rate, dahil i-issue din doon, we're in real deep trouble. So I just would like to say na dapat meron din good governance dun sa quality assurance system for the credentials, especially yung related to the people to really make